Bonehead play of the week.
All right, this week's Bonehead play. We have, actually it's going to be two plays from the same team, but two different players, really. Philip Rivers was involved in both of them. So in studio we have Philip Rivers. How's it going, Philip? Thanks for joining us for the Bonehead play.
I'm good, how are you?
So the first Bonehead play, here we go, is you make this pass over the middle, and this is this guy's first NFL catch, and he just throws it right on the ground and says, yeah, I'm in college. So how'd that make you feel?
Made me feel great.
All right, moving on. The next play, later on in that quarter, you drop back the pass here, and you throw what was ruled to be a lateral to who was it? Hester right here, and he just kind of lets it go, and that's a fumble. I didn't know if anybody knew that because everyone was just kind of standing around. But how did that play make you feel?
Also pretty great. My head's pretty square. I think I did a triple axel on that play. Made it hard to tell that it was actually a forward pass. I think I watched the film.
It wasn't, but okay.
No, I watched.
You saw it?
I think so. I'm a pretty smart guy.
Well, I mean, we're right here. You can see. What's that? That's forward.
Yeah, I think it was. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, sure.
Okay. Well, they robbed you.
Yeah, sure.
And you lost anyways, and you had 4 turnovers in the game, and that's never good.
My head's square.
Hey, thanks for joining us on the Bonehead Play of the Week, and hopefully we'll have you in studio many more times.
I'm sure you will. I am a bonehead, and my head is very square.
I don't know what you're talking about. All right.